What if you could manage your entire social media calendar just by talking to Claude? With Schedly's MCP server, you can. Let me show you how to set it up in under 2 minutes. First, we connect the social accounts we want to schedule. Just go to Social Accounts in your Schedly dashboard and hit Connect Profile for each platform. Now open Claude and go to Settings, then Connectors. Click Add Custom Connector. Give it a name like Schedly. Inside your Schedly dashboard, head to the API and Integrations page. Here you can generate your unique API key and get your MCP server URL. Just copy it. That's all you need from Schedly's side. Then navigate back to Claude and paste the MCP URL. Then hit Add, and that's it. Claude is now connected to Schedly. This is the schedule view, where every scheduled post shows up on the calendar. Today will fill up an entire week, 7 posts with varied formats with a single prompt to Claude. Now let's head into Settings, open the Schedly connector we just added, and grant the permissions Claude needs, creating posts, generating images, scheduling, and more. Now, in a new chat, just paste the prompt and Claude picks the right Schedly tools automatically. No manual work needed. Watch what happens. Claude checks your connected accounts, generates the images with AI, generates carousels, and video reel, according to our prompt. Then writes the captions and hashtags, and creates the scheduled post, all in one conversation. Back in the schedule view, and let's confirm it worked. All 7 posts are there, scheduled day by day across the week, exactly as requested. It will publish automatically at the scheduled time. Everything is exactly right. The correct social accounts are selected, the caption and hashtags are written to match the prompt, and the AI-generated image fits the topic perfectly. And that's it. Your social media, managed by AI on autopilot.